All right, in the previous videos of this series, I've showed you how to build at least the start of a Meet My Classmates app. And basically the app lists all the people in the spreadsheet, the students or the employees, whatever it happens to be. You click on one of them, it shows additional information, like including the description, and then you can kind of next through and see all the people. Okay. In this video, what I want to do in this lesson, I want to show you, um, how to kind of clean up the code or refactor the code. And the issue I have with the code so far, it's fine, but and I'm just going to kind of zoom out a little bit here, and it's fine, but you'll notice we've got some duplications of code. When the screen opens, we need to display all the data we want to display. And then when they click next button, after doing a little work, we also display the same information. Now in software, you're going to end up with a lot of code, and you really want to reduce duplicate code. And mainly the reason is, like, if there's a bug or you need to fix something, you don't have to find a bunch of different places where that code exists. And one way to kind of avoid it is to use what's called functions. Okay, and functions are, think of it as a named sequence of blocks. So I can take these 3 rows of blocks, put them in this function so they're in one place, and then each of these event handlers can call that function. Okay, so I'm going to do it. In this case, what these blocks do is they display one person, right? So I'm just going to call this function. Notice it's a to block. It just means to do something, right? And in this case, what we want to do is display a single student. Okay, and what I'm going to do is copy these 3 things up there. I'm not going to copy that guy, but to display a student, I'm going to do those 3 things. Okay, now obviously, when the screen opens, I still want to do this. I took away the blocks, but what I'm going to replace it with is a call. And if I go to this functions area, once I've created this to block, and I can do this display student. Okay, so display student is now a single block, which really converts to all these 3 blocks. It really is this is the name of all this stuff. So in a sense, I've kind of created a new block, right, that I can use everywhere. Okay, so now I've got this function. Whoops, sorry. I've got this function created. I'm now calling it for my info screen. And then I can also get rid of these blocks here, or wherever I'm doing this stuff, I can now replace it with the simple call to display student. Okay, so this is called a function call. And now I've got, in 2 different places, I'm calling this function, which displays a student. So when my screen opens, I need to display a student. When the next button's clicked, I need to go get the data for the next student in my spreadsheet, and then I need to display it. Okay, so what I've done, refactoring is what I've done, and refactoring means don't change how the code's going to work for the user. The user won't see any difference, but we're just cleaning up the code to make it better from a software engineering viewpoint. And the goal is later, if we find bugs or we make additions, our code is in a much cleaner state to do that. Okay, just for the heck of it, let's go ahead and test. I always like to test everything as I go. So if I click on preview, I should get exactly the same behavior. I click on Tara, there she is, and I can click next, and it still navigates through. So everything's cool, but I've refactored it to make my code a little bit cleaner.